A is for Australian Terrier.
Yep, yep.
B is for banana bat.
C is for Cairn Terrier.
Yep, yep, yep.
D is for Dappled Mountain Robin.
Tweet, tweet.
E is for Emerald Ash Borer.
Click, click.
F is for Florida Bark Scorpion. G is for Grizzly Bear. H is for Hooded Beetle.
I is for Indian rat snake.
J is for Javan Rusa. K is for Kalahari Tree Skink.
Hiss, hiss.
L is for Land Iguana.
M is for mandrill.
N is for Namaqua sand grouse. Guttural, guttural, guttural.
O is for Ovenbird.
Teacher, teacher, teacher.
P is for papillon.
Q is for Queen of the Night cactus beetle. R is for rainbow boa. S is for snake.
T is for Titan Beetle. U is for Umbrella Bird.
Boom, boom.
The letter U, Cephalopterus. V is for Vietnamese leaf-nosed snake.
W is for weaver bird. Chatter, chatter.
X is for Jingu spiny rat.
Chatter, chatter. Chatter, chatter.
Z is for zebra spider. The letter Z, Salticus senicus.
One more.
Yes, yes, yes.
D is for Diana monkey.
E is for egret. F is for fallow deer.
G is for giant isopod.
H is for house sparrow. Chirp, chirp. I is for Iberian lynx.
J is for jellyfish.
K is for Kalahari sand snake.
L is for guanaco. M is for Mexican beaded lizard.
N is for Nubian ibex.
O is for oxpecker.
Chirp, chirp.
P is for pink-toed tarantula. Hiss, hiss. Q is for queen termite. Click, click.
R is for rattlesnake.
S is for Siberian husky. T is for Tibetan mastiff.
U is for Uncas skipper. The letter U, Hesperidae. V is for volcano rabbit.
W is for wombat. X is for Xinjiang gecko. Chirp, Alsophilax.
Y is for yellow-eyed penguin. Z is for Zorro. Bark, bark.
The bear says grrr and the monkey says ooh, ah, hey, hey, hey.
One more!
F is for flying fox.
G is for gray wolf.
H is for hornet. I is for Indian giant squirrel.
Chatter, chatter.
J is for Jamaican fruit bat. K is for Kurdish wheatear. Tip, tip. Tip, tip.
L is for loggerhead shrike.
Chatter, chatter. Chatter, chatter.
M is for martin.
N is goshawk.
O is for obscure meal moth.
Click, click.
P is for peccary.
Q is for Queen Wida. Whistle, whistle.
R is for red-lipped bat.
Click, click, click.
S is for sharp-tailed grouse.
Boom, boom. T is for Taiwan Wame.
Song, 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 song.
U is for undulated tinamou. Boom, boom.
V is for Vero's sifaka.
Shifak, shifak.
W is for woolly mammoth.
X is for Zarek Whiptail. Shh, shh.
Y is for yellow-bellied glider.
Z is for zebra-tailed lizard.
Shh! Calosaurus!